greetings of the day. Let's start our today's social class. Let's start with chapter in history. Chapter number 5, Rise of Kingdoms. So let's take a short introduction. What we are going to study in this chapter. First, Janapadas. Second, Mahajanapadas. Third, kingdoms and republics. Fourth, the kingdom of Magad. Fifth, life in Magad. So let's start our chapter. We know that the Aryans originally came to the Indian subcontinent as a group of tribes. Over the course of time, the tribes gave way to more permanent settlements. These settlements gave rise to territorial states in North India called the Janapadas and eventually larger and more powerful states called the Mahajanapadas. A state can be defined as a political organization that has complete and independent control over an area. Now let's start with Janapadas. In the later stages of their settlement, the Aryans had expanded their control over areas between the Ganga and Yamuna valleys, eastern Uttar Pradesh and even Bihar. The Aryan tribes now began to settle down in permanent settlements. As a result, the earlier tribal setup gave way to territorial states called the Janapadas. The word Janapada means a place where the Jana, that is tribe, set foot and stayed on. Now let us study the sources from which we come to know about all these. First, literary sources. Later Vedic texts such as the Samved, Yajurved, Atharvaved and Upanishads shed light on this period along with Ramayana and Mahabharata. Other sources of information include Buddhist texts like the Dik Nikaya. Next, archaeological sources. Archaeologists have discovered a number of settlements in Janapadas like Delhi, Meerut and Etha. They have also found grey or red earthen pots from these sites. They have also found a unique kind of pottery known as painted grey ware. It mainly comprises plates, bowls, and pots decorated with geometric designs. Now, the next topic that we are going to start is Mahajanapadas. About 500 years after the rise of the Janapadas, that is about 500 BC, some large states arose in the subcontinent. These were originally Janapadas, which had become more important than others with the passage of time. They were therefore called Mahajanapadas. According to Buddhist literature, by the 6th century BC, there were 16 Mahajanapadas in the Indian subcontinent, such as Gandhara, Khasi, Vajji, Kosala, and Magad. In about 200 years, the rulers of Magad managed to conquer many Janapadas, and the kingdom emerged as an important seat of political power in North India.